Hello beauties, you are welcome back to my channel. As the title suggests, does apple cider vinegar really help get rid of dandruff? You'll get to find out as we proceed in this video. Okay, here I have my apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is a raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar that comes with the mother. Okay, and the mother here is actually very important in apple cider vinegar because it contains vitamins, nutrients and enzymes that is very good when it comes to getting rid of dandruff or fighting dandruff on the scalp. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's if you found the video helpful. Give me a thumbs up and then share this video with your friends as well. I also have a vlog channel where I share my lifestyle with my husband. Do check that out in the description box. And then let's quickly get right into the video. So the question here again was, does apple cider vinegar really help get rid of dandruff? I don't know how many of you have tried this before. I made a video on my channel some time ago about apple cider vinegar for dandruff. I don't know how many of you have done this before and how many of you it has actually helped. But as for me, I did it. The first time I did it, it worked. Like, I was shocked. Normally, I used to have dandruff and then flecks all over my hair. And before now, I was used to using anti-dandruff shampoo where I buy from the pharmacy. And then when I use this anti-dandruff shampoo, I'll get relieved for about 1 to 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, like, my dandruff is back. Like, everything is back. The flecks will be, if I touch my scalp, my hair like this, you will see the white flecks dropping out. So that is how my dandruff was, and my scalp was really itchy. So I decided to try the apple cider vinegar to get rid of dandruff, and yes, it worked for me. So I'm going to show you what to do with your apple cider vinegar. First of all, get it. It is always settling at the bottom here. So you're going to shake it very well. Shake it very well. And then get a spray bottle. You can make use of a spray bottle like this. This one is actually the small size spray bottle. Get this, and I'm just going to open this up. This is a spray bottle I use for my hair. I'll open up the apple cider vinegar as well. Then the idea here is to have half and half of the apple cider vinegar and water solution. So half, like for example, you are using half cup of water, so you use half cup of water, half cup of apple cider vinegar. You want it to be really concentrated. So I'm going to pour this in. You can see the color change. This is now looking more like an apple cider vinegar, but not as concentrated as the main apple cider vinegar here. Now I'm going to replace this back. Just replace your spray bottle cap back. Shake it very well to ensure everything is well mixed. And then just go ahead and spread this all over your scalp. Can you see that? I won't be spraying this on my scalp because I have my hair braided already. So you're just going to spray. So I'll be using this cotton wool, these wipes I have here, and then I'm going to spray on it so you see. I don't actually know if you can see that, but this is it. Just spray it all over your scalp. Make sure it touches the roots of your hair and where you have the problem area, After spraying it all over, just wear a shower cap, or you can wear your hair bonnet and allow it to sit for 15 minutes at least. Leave it to sit for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes to 30 minutes is okay. Then you can go ahead and wash your hair. Don't leave the apple cider vinegar on your hair overnight, or don't leave it for, like, use it whenever you know you are going to wash your hair. This is going to help you get rid of dandruff. Is going to help you get rid of all those flakes. Of course, when the dandruff is there, it causes the white flakes to come. So this is going to help with the itchy scalp, dandruff, white flakes. You are just going to feel more comfortable when you use this. And alternatively, what you can do with this apple cider vinegar is to just pour it into a bowl, or a small bowl, like get half in half, and then you can just use it to rinse your hair. But I prefer spraying it on the hair if you have severe dandruff. But if it's not severe, or you've used the spray bottle type before, you can just use this as a rinse when you are washing your hair. It works great as well. Another method you can use is by making use of a cotton wool. For example, this is my cotton wool. You are going to spread the apple cider vinegar all over the cotton wool like this. Make sure it is very wet, and then you will just go into your scalp like this, and then just be applying it everywhere where you have the dandruff, and allow it to sit before you wash. Okay, that is another method. You can use this apple cider vinegar to get rid of dandruff, itchy scalp, smelly scalp, like dirty scalp, and just use apple cider vinegar and thank me later. That brings us to the end of our video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've not given it a thumbs up already. Subscribe on your way out and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also follow me on my socials. The link is up here and in the description box. I also share fun videos on my vlog channel with my husband, so do check that out. The link is in the description box as well. And I hope you are going to try this remedy out. If you've used it before, do let me know in the comments. If you've not used it before and you are going to try it out,